Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be drawing a mama and baby piggy bank. We'll start with the baby by drawing the capital letter E toward the left side of our page. Then, to the right of the E, we are going to draw the capital letter M. We want it to be above the E. Very good. Then, in line with the M and below the capital letter E, we will draw two small W's. These will be the feet of our little pig. Great job. Then we'll draw a little cursive L. So we'll go up and around for the pig's curly tail. Great job. Now we'll connect the capital letter E to the bottom of the M and connect the other side of the M all the way around the W, making sure we touch that L shape on our way down. Great. Now we'll connect the two W's with a short line. And finally, we'll connect the letter E to our W. Now our baby pig needs a small eye, so we'll just fill in a black eyeball just above our letter E. And this is the tricky part. We're going to draw a flattened circle right under Piggy's ears. This will be the hole where the coins go in. Awesome. Now we'll move on to our big mama piggy bank. So we'll draw another E, but this time a bigger E. Great job. Then again, we'll draw a nice big M to the right of the E and above it. The M should be about the same size as the letter E. Great job. Now once again, we'll draw two little W's in line with that M and below the E. Then we'll draw another nice curly tail just to the right of the M and the W's. Looks like a cursive L or any kind of squiggle will be great. And we'll attach her snout to her ears. Then attach her ears all the way down to her hind legs, making sure that we touch that squiggly tail as we make our curved shape down. Then we'll connect the two legs and connect her snout to her front legs. Then we'll draw a nice dark eyeball and again a flattened circle at the top. This will be where the money goes. Good job. Finally, we'll draw 3 coins by drawing flattened oval shapes. They can be different sizes. Wonderful. Now we'll just color in our piggies. And you can draw as many coins as you like. So I will begin with my pink alcohol marker, as will my little drawing buddy. and I can use either the same shade or a different shade on the Mama Piggy bank. My drawing buddy is moving on to coloring in her coins. So she'll use a nice gold shade for one of her coins and a light gray shade for her silver coins. And if you're thinking you would love to have a set of these markers for yourself, I have some good news. We will be giving away 40 premium Ohuhu alcohol markers to one of our first 1,000 subscribers. All you need to do is press the subscribe button and you will be automatically entered to win. So subscribe right now to be our lucky winner. We would also love to see your artwork. You can send it in to KidsCreateFanArt@gmail.com. And any artwork that you send in will be featured in our future videos. Now I've filled in the slot holes with a dark gray color, and I'm filling in my coins with the same gold shade as my drawing buddy, and a light gray color for some of the coins as well. And with that, we have completed our baby and Mama Piggy bags. Thank you all for hanging out with us today. We hope you have a happy day and visit us again really soon. Bye!